Alright, almost done now. Problem number 9, Unit 4 study guide on similarity. This one, again, is a little tricky, but it's actually pretty freaking sweet once you figure out how to look at it. Again, we're in a unit on similarity. You should be trying to identify some similar triangles, because then we can set up superdy-duperdy proportions and answer questions that are seemingly impossible to answer, but they're not with geometry. So, do that. Look at where we could have similar triangles. Well, for starters, I see two triangles that are marked with right angles. That's a pretty big hint right there. I also look and I see that those triangles that have those right angles share that angle K. So we got this triangle, boop, and then we got the biggest of them all triangle right there. They both have right angles and they both share that angle K. That means they gotta be similar. So just like I usually do, I'm gonna go through and I'm going to redraw these triangles oriented in the same way because that makes life easier. Alright, well now that I have them oriented in the same way and I know that these stinkers are similar, I can start to, create some proportions, do some math, make it awesome. So let's do that. Let's figure out what h is. In order to do that, and let's remember, I forgot to mark that as 48. Let's go through, let's figure out what h is. Set up any proportion that you like. You have so many options here. I'm just going to go h over 48 equals 20 over 52. I'm going to multiply it by 48 on both sides to get h equals 20 times 48 divided by 52, which simplifies to roughly 18.462, a beautiful number. Okay, well now I can go ahead and figure out what y is. To do that, again, set up a stinking proportion. So to do that this time, I'm going to go y over 48 equals 48 over 52. Again, just putting corresponding parts in the right spot. Again, going to multiply by 48 on both sides to get y equals 48 times 48 over 52, which will simplify as 44.308. Sweet! Almost done, not quite yet. Still got to find x, haven't found that. But I do know that if we look back at our big triangle, if this is x, if the whole side is 52, we found y. To find x, all we have to do is take 52 minus y, which we can do pretty easily. 52 minus 44.308 is going to get us 7.692. So we found x equals 7.692, y equals 44.308, and h equals 18.462, and we're awesome.